Yeah, g'day. It's Chriso. The owner has got me back to do the floor of this bathroom, and I'm lucky enough that I'm able to cut up here. I'm cutting up here with water so it's not causing any dust. The hardest to this floor has been this cut here, and I'm about to put it in now, and then put these other two tiles which I've pre-cut in without. I don't want to kneel on that too much. I'm against kneeling on tiles that I've just laid. DIY's 6 or 12 by 6 tiles are the best, I reckon. They're nice and big, you've got less grout lines, less grout. Less everything, less maintenance. People think they're quicker to lay. Well, they're not. They're actually longer to lay. There's more handling in them. But when they're laid, they are bloody beautiful. I'm using a 15mm notchy. I do the same all the time. A directional trowel, so if there's any water in this bathroom, it'll flow down to the waste, which is over there. So I'll be popping this cut in now. Oh, I've got the owner helping me here, and it's worked out well. This is the hardest to tackle, but once it's in, I had a bit of a whoopsie here, it broke away, but it'll all cover with the skirting. And then we have it. There we have it, people. I'll pop my clips in when I take that one out. And that's it, that's the hardest part done. Alright, we'll see you soon. See ya.